At our beautiful aloe vera gel. Hi guys, good day and welcome to another segment of skincare tips and tricks with me. My name is Abigail Falabi. If you have not met me, you're welcome. Today we're going to be making aloe vera gel from scratch at home, and this will look like a regular store-bought aloe vera gel. Right now I finished washing my aloe vera gel and cutting off the sides to get out the meat of the aloe vera gel, and this is really amazing. Why did I decide to make my own aloe vera gel at home? Well, according to research, the regular store-bought aloe vera gel only contains about 10 to 30%, highest 30% of aloe vera gel. But I mean, look at what I'm doing at home. I'm going to be able to get enough aloe vera gel as much as I want. And this aloe vera gel can last you up to a year if you store it properly. So all I'm just doing is to cut the sides and then bring out the aloe vera gel so that we can get all the necessary meats that we're going to use for this process. And this process was really fun for me, so I'm sure you should find it fun as well. So you just use your spoon to scrape the meat out, and then you are good to go. So I did this process. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes before I was done. I know aloe vera gel is actually great for wound healing, for skincare. It helps moisturizes. You can add into your lotion at home. You can add into your face cream. You can add into. I even made a yummy orange face cream with this aloe vera gel, which I'll be showing you in another recipe. I don't know if that one will go up first or this will come up first. So any which way, whenever you see my post, guys, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. So that peel, I'm going to be keeping it for another DIY. And instead of wasting my aloe vera gel, instead of filtering it, I decided to blend it so that I can get all the juice out. And while I measured this, I got about 91 kg, and then I boiled my aloe vera gel. Afterwards, after I was done boiling, I measured it and then I got 56 kg. So it has really dropped. So this is my 9 grams of glycerin, and I'm adding 0.50 grams of xanthan gum. If you have xanthan gum clear, this will give you a more yummy aloe vera gel because it will be very clear. But I didn't have, when I was doing this video, recording this video, I didn't have xanthan gum clear. I have xanthan gum soft, so and that was what I made do with. And then it still came out nice though. But if you're really concerned about the color, then you should use xanthan gum clear. So this is me adding my glycerin and xanthan gum clear mixture into my aloe vera gel. If you have watched this video up to this point, please do me well to subscribe to my channel. I tried using a whisk, but it wasn't working, so I had to go back using my spoon. I added 0.10 grams of my preservative. I used liquid Jamal Plus, and then I did a very good mix, thorough mix. I left it for about 2 hours, and this was the result I got. Look at it. Yummy aloe vera gel at home, freshly made by us. So this can be made, and it's so amazing. I love it. I actually love it. But I would have also preferred having, using xanthan gum clear. Thank you guys so much. Do me well.